I don't know what I would have done with myself if this book would have ended differently. The life of Lola is so heartbreaking. She was just a nice young lady who decided to chase ambition and love, and then was met with the shock and the brutality of immigration. I don't know, I still didn't see the point of her leaving Ghana to go to America, but I guess that was the whole point of the story. I really, really enjoyed this book, and it had me questioning a lot of immigration realities. I highly, highly, highly recommend this book. Will I read another book by Bisi Adjapon? Yes.